Slim face. Liquify faces with just a few steps. After opening photo, select Slim Face tool or SADESIGN panel. Pop-up window shows up and you need to select 3 levels of making subject's face slim. Then OK. This before, this after. SADESIGN panel already set the amount of liquify tools to make the results still look natural. Moreover, you can apply Slim Face tool to own your photos by using Patch Auto. Make sure to select Slim Face and the levels, less, normal, high, then run. That's it. Now check the before and after of all photos that you already opened at the beginning. Easy peasy. SADESIGN, your editing photo solution.